One of the most common real-life problems that people encounter with lookups is the following. So you have two sets of data, set 1 and set 2. It could be numbers, it could be text, dates, anything. And you want to know whether in set 1 you have some numbers that are available in set 2 and whether in set 2 you have some numbers that are available in set 1. So I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One is with VLOOKUP, the other one with COUNTIF. So let's start. First of all, I want to know out of the data points that are in set 1, which ones are available in set 2. So I'm going to do VLOOKUP, open parentheses. I'm looking for my 4 here. Where am I looking for my 4? In my set 2, right? Because I'm looking if this is available here. And then my column index is 1 because I only have one column. And then I'm going to use false for an exact match. I get here a 4. Why did I get a 4? Because my 4 is available in my set 2. So it found it, it returned it. I have to drag this to the last data point of my set 1, not my set 2. Be careful. And here you will find some NAs. The NAs are the cases where the data is not present in set 2. For example, 6, 12, 3, right? So how to make this a bit neater? You can just go here and do if and then use a function called isError. You can wrap VLOOKUP in this function. So if this is an error, like the second case where we have the 6 that is not available, what would you do? You will return a blank. Otherwise, let's return this 4. Now we have the formula. Let's just double click and then you'll get blanks wherever I don't find the numbers. And those are the numbers that are available here and that you can find them here. If I want to do the opposite, I can do the same. Let's do the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, lookup value is 1, where my table array is here. It's the opposite actually. My column index is still 1 because I just need one column. And my range lookup is false because I want an exact match. So here again, I'm gonna get some numbers with some NAs. I can do the same if isError. I wrap the VLOOKUP in the error, comma, blank. Otherwise, now you need to return B2, not A2, because you're doing the opposite. And I can drag the formula down and get the answer. Let's do the same with COUNTIF. So here I want to find out of this what is available in set 2. So equal COUNTIF. What is my range? So the range is where I'm looking at. So I want to see whether the 4 is available here. So now the range is B. The criteria is my 4. I close my parentheses. I just drag it down till the bottom of set 1. For the other one, you have to drag it down till the bottom of set 2. So now I have 1s and 0s and 2s. This is how many instances you find the 4, the 6, the 8, the 1, etc. So the 6 is 0 times in set 2, which is the same as here, and then the 4 is 1 time. So now I can convert those into something similar. So I can do if my COUNTIF is bigger than 0, then it means that the number exists. So take the number, otherwise give me blank. And I can just drag it down. Let's do the same here directly. If COUNTIF, my range now is set 1, comma, the criteria is this one. We close it, bigger than 0. If it's the case, give me this one, otherwise give me blank. And we drag it to the last element of set 2. So these are the numbers that are available here and I can find them here. So if you want to know what are the unique numbers, you can just take any of the sets that you have, like this one. You can go here, you go to home, paste, paste special, values, then you get the values and you can go to data, remove duplicates, you say OK, and you get the unique values. So please let me know which methodology you prefer for this problem. And as usual, if you like this lesson, please don't forget to click the like button and to subscribe to the channel.